Hey guys, if you're an admin of a WhatsApp group, then there's some breather for you from the Bombay High Court. Well, Bombay High Court ने कहा है कि admins are not responsible for objectionable content posted by a member of the group unless evidence proves कि admin का कोई गलत intention पहले से था and if it was part of a pre-arranged plan. कोर्ट ने ये भी बोला है कि group admins only have limited powers of adding or deleting members. They just create a group and don't have the power to regulate or censor the content posted in the group. At max, they can just remove a person from a group if something objectionable is posted. So once a group is created, the functioning of the administrator and members is at par with each other. Now, this story becomes important. Well, because WhatsApp as a platform has been claimed by authorities to be spreading misinformation, morphed images and disturbing videos with fabricated claims. अगर आपको याद होगा तो last year Maharashtra's cyber cell even put the responsibility on admins for being careful and removing messages and the member who posts any objectionable content or content that is fake or based on rumor. Then in May 2020, the Madras High Court even booked a group admin for posting a news item that turned out to be fake. Now, WhatsApp also got a little proactive and it disabled forwarding a message to many users to fight this menace, but misinformation, which can have real world consequences, still spreads on the platform. Accountability fix करने की कोशिश on है, काफी बार पहले भी हो चुका है, but what do you think the recent move by the Bombay High Court will do? Will it help in ending fake news? क्या accountability fix हो पाएगी or will it be misused by members? So tell us what WhatsApp can do to counter fake news, because fake news is becoming an equally bigger pandemic as COVID-19.